Welcome students to Saral Nair Engineering Academy SNA. I hope that you are coming to this video lecture by seeing the previous one. Previous video सबसे पहले तो देखो और उसके बाद ही ये video lecture आपको समझेगा. So in this video lecture we'll try to understand the basic that is required to solve the numericals. Numericals solve करने के लिए कुछ basic की जरूरत है. So that basic we are going to see, that basic we are going to study here students. So in this video lecture we are going to concentrate basically on two things. The first one that we will see, हम जो पढ़ने वाले हैं students, that is thermodynamic analysis of VCR, and the second part here is we will try to solve some numerical as well. So we'll start with the basics of steam. We all know the pH chart, हमें pH chart पता है. So again we will talk about a pH chart students. Pressure, enthalpy. This is the basic structure of a pH chart. This will be our point 1, point 2, 1 to 2 a compression process. 2 to 3, this will be which process? Condensation process. 3 to 4 will be expansion process, and 4 to 1 रहेगा evaporation का process. This we had studied. But there are generally three conditions of steam. Any steam can have these three conditions. The first condition is HFG, enthalpy of wet steam. HFG means in this condition the steam can be in liquid as well as vapor region. Second, it can be HG, that it can be in dry saturated. Or third, which is mostly required students, that is superheated. So this is your wet steam. This will be what students? ये रहेगा saturated, and this will be superheated. So how many conditions are there? Three conditions are there. So you have to read the numerical very properly, and according to these three conditions, we have to do what students? We have to solve the numerical. कौन से भी steam, any steam you will see, it will have these three conditions. Point 1 was what students? It was the start of compression. Compression का start था वो. So point 1 is start of compression. So in numerical, whenever start of compression occurs, that point will be what? That point will be point 1. Point 2 will be what students? It will be the end of compression. It will be end of compression. ये चीजें याद रखो. Start of compression, and second will be what students? Second will be the end of compression. Great. Now let us see some different cases here. You can take a screenshot or you can write parallelly with me also. Now we will see different cases देखते हैं, and according to that we will draw the diagram. We will draw this diagram. Point 1 ये start of compression याद रखो, और point 2 end of compression. ये दो ही चीजें याद रखो. Okay, so यही compression का था. Point 1 start of compression, point 2 end of compression students. So let us study about what? Let us study about here case number 1. Okay, so case number 1 is what students? Case number 1 is when the vapor is dry saturated at the end of compression. लिख लो ये case, when it is dry saturated where? At the end of compression. पिछला स्लाइड में ही मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि end of compression means which point? End of compression means point 2 students. It was point 2. Okay, so now what we will do is we will start with this case. Okay, fine. So सबसे पहले तो I will draw here the diagram. I will draw the curve here. Okay, sorry for mistake. 2 minutes. बढ़िया तरीके से ओके। सो एट द एंड ऑफ कॉम्प्रेशन, इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? पॉइंट टू जो रहेगा दैट विल बी वेयर, दैट विल बी ऑन द कर्व हियर, ड्राई सैचुरेटेड है। ड्राई सैचुरेटेड मतलब एच जी लाइज वेयर, एच जी लाइज ऑन द कर्व, ये कर्व पे है, सो दैट इज पॉइंट टू। तो सबसे पहले तो पॉइंट टू प्लॉट करो। सी इफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम, इफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम, done with the numerical. So this, all these cases are really very important students. So at end of the compression means which point? It will be what students? It will be point number 2, पॉइंट नंबर 2। तो सबसे पहले पॉइंट नंबर 2 प्लॉट करो। ये कौन सा रीजन हो गया? ये हो गया ड्राई सैचुरेटेड। अभी ट्रेस बैक करो, मीन्स 2 से क्या होगा? 2 से ये 3, 3 से ये 4 एंड 4 to 1 ड्रॉ करने के वक्त थोड़ा सा पीछे ले लो। दिस विल बी पॉइंट 1, 1 to 2 क्या होगा? कॉम्प्रेशन होगा। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? ओके, 1 to 2 हमेशा कॉम्प्रेशन में ही रहेगा। सो हियर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग कि जो वेपर है स्टूडेंट्स, दैट वेपर इज इन ड्राई सैचुरेटेड एट द एंड ऑफ कॉम्प्रेशन। सो सबसे पहले तो मैंने पॉइंट 2 प्लॉट किया एंड आई हैव ट्रेस्ड बैक 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1। Are you understanding? 1 to 2 ये compression, 2 to 3 ये condensation, 3 to 4 ये हो गया expansion and 4 to 1 will be what students? It will be evaporation process. It will be the evaporation process out here. Okay, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to again 1. ये process repeat होगा. This process keeps on repeating guys. This process keeps on repeating. Okay, perfect. So now if I will plot here, अगर मुझे H3 find करना है, that H3 will be in which region? Liquid. This region is your liquid. This region will be the gas or the vapor. Are you understanding? एक liquid रहेगा और एक gas रहेगा. So H3 will be in liquid state. So it will be denoted by HF3, enthalpy of fluid. What will be students? H2, H2 ये vapor है, dry saturated है, so that will be Hg2. Now very important thing, sometimes steam table will be given and sometimes steam table will be not given, but if you are from SPPU mostly 99% आपको table दिया जाता है, okay, directly on the question paper itself, so you don't require to read the steam table here. So H3 point ये HF3, H2 point ये Hg2 रहेगा, while H1 and H4 is different. So H1 will be your HFG1 because it is inside और H4 भी वही रहेगा. So first of all we will see the cases, then we will understand how to plot it. Okay, perfect. This was the case number 1. Let us go for case number 2 students. Case number 2 क्या है? When the vapor is superheated at the end of compression. Superheated region में है वो students. Superheated region means what here? It is outside the curve. So again I will draw here. So this will be what students? This will be pressure. This will be enthalpy here, pH. Again I will draw here a curve. Okay, so at which point it is? It is at a second point. कैसे क्या आपको पता चला second point? Because it is at the end of compression, but which state? Superheated. So this state here will be your superheated, मतलब point 2 बाहर draw करना पड़ेगा, point 2 superheated region में draw करना पड़ेगा. Are you understanding? End of compression is what? Point 2. So point 2 ऊपर है तो फिर बाहर ड्रॉ करो क्योंकि कौन सा रीजन में है? सुपर हीटर रीजन में है. अगेन फ्रॉम व्हाट? 2 to 3 इट विल गो, 2 to 3 जाएगा. कंडेंसेशन देखो यहाँ पर 2 to 3 कंडेंसेशन, वेपर का कन्वर्जन लिक्विड में. अगेन ये लिक्विड एक्सपांशन वॉल में जाएगा, सो दैट विल बी पॉइंट नंबर 4, 4 to 1. Now एनी कंडीशन कैन बी ईयर, वन का कंडीशन एक तो अंदर रह सकता है या फिर ड्राई सैचुरेटेड. फॉर नाउ टाइमिंग वी विल टेक ड्राई सैचुरेटेड. देन व्हाट विल हैपन, देन 1 to 2 compression will happen. So 1 to 2 का मीनिंग क्या हो गया, it is your adiabatic compression. 2 to 3 will be what students, it is the condensation. 3 to 4 is the expansion and 4 to 1 is the evaporation process. So if we have to plot here, so tell me students, H3 मतलब क्या, what is the value of H3? H3 means HF, it is in liquid state, so I will write here HF3. Similarly H1 देखो, H1 dry saturated में, vapor region में, so I will write down here Hg1. and at last H2 जो रहेगा that will be in superheated region, that will be H superheated. Are you understanding this? 2 point superheated region में, so that's why H2 I have written as H superheated. Great. This was your case number 2 when the vapor is superheated at the end of compression. End of compression था, इसलिए 2 का point बाहर draw करना पड़ेगा and then replot the diagram again. चलिए नेक्स्ट केस देख लेते हैं. केस नंबर 3 क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन द वेपर इज वेट at the end of compression. Okay, so now the diagram will be, we need to draw when it is wet. So it is for wet. So first of all we will draw the curve here. We'll draw the curve. Okay, so according to the question here, the vapor is wet at the end of compression means which point, end of compression means point number 2. It is wet. Wet कहाँ पर आएगा, wet आएगा अंदर, point number 2. Point number 2 ये wet रहेगा. Wet means it will have vapor as well as what students, it will have vapor as well as the liquid state also. Vapor भी रहेगा और liquid भी रहेगा. So from point 2 what is going to happen, it will go to point 3. 3 कौन से state में है, 3 है liquid state. So I will draw here which point, I will draw here the third point. So 2 से लेकर 3 तक. 3 to 4 again expansion is there, so this point will be what students, this point will be 4. और 1 point जो ड्रॉ करोगे वो 2 से पीछे जरा ड्रॉ करो, क्यों, क्योंकि compression process दिखाना पड़ेगा. So 1 to 2 will be compression process, 2 to 3 will be condensation, 3 to 4 expansion and 4 to 1 will be your evaporation. We have drawn which chart students here, pH chart. देखो समझ रहा है क्या, वेट किधर रहेगा, अंदर, ड्राई सैचुरेटेड कर्व पे और सुपर हीटेड कर्व के बाहर. दिस वाज रिलेटेड टू द एंड ऑफ कंप्रेशन. सो इन द सेम वे टेल मी H3 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी, H3 की वैल्यू आएगी HF3. HF3 is the enthalpy of the fluid here. Perfect. Let's move on to the next case, that is when the vapor is superheated at the start of the compression student. So at the start of the compression का meaning क्या हो गया, which point, it will be at point 1. But the condition students, the condition is what, the condition is superheated. The condition here is superheated. So let us see how the diagram will be. So first of all I will draw here a pH chart. सबसे पहले तो मैं pH chart ड्रॉ करूंगा. So on y axis there will be pressure, on x axis there will be the enthalpy students. Okay, so pressure and enthalpy. So now the structured part I will draw. Okay, perfect. Point number 1 will be shown at the downward side, but it is in which state, superheated. So superheated state बाहर रहेगा, that will be at point 1. Superheated region means it will be outside the curve. So outside the curve will be this point 1. So 1 से क्या होगा, compression होगा point 2 and then it will go towards the liquid state, that will be point 3. 3 to 4 नीचे आएगा and again it will join 4 to 1. So 1 to 2 is which process? It is your compression process. 2 to 3, 2 to 3 is which process? It is condensation process. 3 to 4 ये रहेगा आपका expansion process, and 4 to 1 will be, students, will be the evaporation process. So 4 processes are there: compression, condensation, expansion and evaporation. H1, if you can see, H1 is in superheated region, so H sup. H2 will be also in superheated region, that is H sup 2. But H3 ये liquid state में है, H3 will be in fluid state, students. H3 will be in the fluid state. So H1, H2, H3. So this was the 4 cases. So now what we had studied here, we had studied totally 4 cases. Case 1, dry saturated at end of compression. Case 2, superheated at end of compression. Case 3, wet at end of compression. And case number 4, students, superheated at start of compression. So end of compression was at which point? End of compression was at point 2. Start of compression is point 1. I hope that you have understood this case very properly. Case 1 to case 4.